Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these air fryer steak bites. I've got the easiest recipe for you today. These air fryer steak bites it's simple, it's only like 6 ingredients and ready in under 20 minutes. So we're going to get started. I've got about a pound to a pound and a half of cut up, cubed up steak. I would recommend anything like top sirloin or better, just so your steak is nice and tender. I've got 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and you can use whatever oil you like. Got 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. So we're going to just combine all of these with our steak. And if you have the time, let this marinate for, I don't know, 15 minutes to an hour, only if you have the time. If you don't, that's fine. But of course, it's just gonna make the flavors get into the steak so much better. So we're just gonna put these, I've got a foil lined tray. This is my air fryer tray. This air fryer right here, an air fryer oven. I love the air fryer oven. You can fit so much more in it than if you used a basket air fryer. And then you can also toast with it. It's just great. So I'm going to spread my steak out into an even layer on my foil lined pan here. And another quick tip, if you like your steak bites to be on the rare side, medium rare, use frozen pieces of steak. One thing, frozen steak is actually a little bit easier to cut. And then you're going to get a nice crispy crust on the outside while your steak is still pink on the inside. Okay, we got all of our steak on our air fryer tray. Okay, these are gonna cook in a 400-degree air fryer for about 15 or so minutes. You wanna, flip them halfway through with your tongs. Preheat your air fryer. I forgot to mention that in the recipe, but I'll add that to the recipe. You definitely want to preheat your air fryer for a recipe like this because you want it to be as hot as possible, just so you can get a nice crust on your steak. So we're going to cook these up and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Okay, our steak bites are out of the oven or out of the air fryer and they look so good. You guys have got to try this recipe. If you like your steak bites, like I said before, to be pink in the middle, you're going to want to use frozen steak. If you don't use frozen steak, these took about 7 minutes to make. If you don't use frozen steak, they're going to be pretty well done. So that's just, how it goes in the air fryer. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.